Good evening, my Biafran family. The one wey dey ground na restructuring. Everybody dey run up and down restructuring. Niger Delta restructuring, Biafran land restructuring, Yoruba people restructuring. Obasanjo dey do coalition party with the same circle of old politicians. Restructuring no go work for Nigeria. Nigeria don big pass restructuring. Don big pass am. Make the Yoruba people just go face their Oduduwa Republic. We Biafrans, we face our own Biafra. All this one wey dem dey do so na waste of time, waste of energy. Who tell them say Fulani Hausa man want restructuring? They won't encompass the whole land, the whole country, the whole Nigeria. Everybody, they won't chain everybody down. Who tell them say Fulani Hausa man want restructuring? Abi they know they see the way that they carry the cow, they cover everywhere. Cow with men with gun. That one are people wey want do restructuring. Nigeria go wake up one good morning and civil war now na go see so. Everybody they run up and down restructuring. Which restructuring? Who tell una say Fulani Hausa man want do restructuring? When they get where they go, then get wetin they plan. The plan that they can and they go small. All una dey busy. Wetin they don't plan for years. Now Yoruba people don't they drag us. They drag Niger Delta. They drag some Biafran people, politicians. They mumu, they run. Say that they go do which restructuring? Which restructuring? When they go cut on our side, give on a pieces, make on a chop. Now they run up and down, they are pieces and restructuring. Which restructuring? I want to Fulani tell you say one restructuring. They want restructuring. Now Yoruba people want restructuring pass. Now they want that pass. Because they don't tangle themselves well inside Fulani people. They say they don't enjoy the presidency now. Then they enjoy answers. Then they enjoy the presidency, they enjoy the position, they enjoy everything. Not be now where Buhari come, where Buhari tell them say, make una go one side because we won't collect the whole Nigeria for Fulani people with cow and colonies. Now Yoruba people now don't say, okay, if not so we want that, we want restructuring. Niger Delta come, a Biafra come, make we fight for restructuring. Make them go fight for restructuring by themselves if they want restructuring. We will not want restructuring. We want to go home. We don't want restructuring. We want to go home. They should not drag us into their restructuring. We Niger Delta will not want restructuring. We Biafrans will not want restructuring. Until Niger Delta people know say all of them are Biafran and stand strong against this evil, we won't come swallow everybody in the name of restructuring like so. I don't know whether if they don't drink Ogogoro finish, they know they see road well again. I don't know what in there for inside our people body. Which charm where they put for body. Who na the mumu? Since how many years? How many years for that Biafra land? How many years? See road, see nothing. Of all the money where that side produced for so many years, for more than 60 years for Nigeria, when Nigeria they shop, they party. They build Abuja, build Lagos, build everywhere. Now they cry restructuring. Our useless young boys then for Biafra land. And so they go the run, they follow politicians. To Tomorrow they go carry gun, see that they go creek, they won't go fight. When they come give them small money, they go happy. Go buy big motor where they go drive for road where no dey. Big house. Where gas go dey flay them for inside their house. Dirty environment. No road, no school, no water, nothing. Say because they give una money to drive big motor, big house. Una think say life don't complete be that. Una think say now I don't feel good. Una be big man now. Carry women, do nonsense. Now this now una chance. This is your chance to restore Biafra land. If this chance pass una, if this chance pass una, I sorry for una. Because there will be no hope. No hope, no dream, no vision again. Because I want some man, Fulani man, when he cage you, na death. Because their religion not get mercy. They don't know mercy, they don't know peace, they don't know joy, they don't know happiness, they don't know. You be infidel. You are infidel to them. So you deserve to die. To them, you deserve to die. Any good thing where you get, they go collect them, kill you on top. So when our people, they chop with them, they dance with them, they are not supposed to get sense from Buhari we can become a president. When Buhari can become president, we are not supposed to get sense. Buhari carry your whole family, your whole household, plus one way they village, the one way don't know how to read, the one way they wreck car, all of them, put all of them for inside a government for Nigeria position. We are not see the sportsman where they intervene. Who sack him? Nobody now. That one a sign. God show a sign. God they show a sign. But una not they listen to the sign. Una see the dance they follow. Nigeria must be one. Nigeria don't over. Nigeria don't over. Finish. Kaput. Finito. Fatigue. Odiodi, nothing is there. Ofoli, afianfien, it's over. So no matter how una want take rope or thread or machine or needle, take the sword in Nigeria, they go. So the more na the sword in Nigeria, the more the Nigeria, they quake. The ground they quake. The environment they quake. The air, everything there they quake. They like giant where they chain. They don't they stand up. Giant where they chain. They stand up. As if they fling a hand. They fling this one go here. Fling that one go there. Fling a leg. And so it be. So when he fling this hand, who did they go inside? He fling the left hand. Who did they go inside? He fling a leg. That who did that side go that side. Nigeria don't divide. The good prophets and where they said they know, they see and say, Nigeria, you don't divide on its own. So all this running around, they want to restructure. What do you know the restructure? To favor the big politicians then. We put Nigeria inside this big hole, shit hole. Now they want to restructure Nigeria for you. Then they will go restructure Nigeria for you. You, my Biafran brothers. You, my Niger Delta brothers. Now, they go restructure Nigeria for you. The same people then. We destroy the Nigeria. They won't come destroy. They won't come restructure them for you. So that you go get hospital. So that you go get school. So that you go get water drink. So that you go get good road. So that you go get electricity. Nah, lie. Odi. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. The only thing we go save Nigeria now be say, Oduduwa una face una republic. Niger Delta or Biafra land una face una own. Now the only thing we go save Nigeria. Nigeria self go carry a load, go waka. Because it don't the waka. But many people know they see say Nigeria don't the waka. So still believe say Nigeria dey. make we drag am, make we do am. Nigeria don go. If Nigeria na human being, don pack a load, e don dey go. So Biafrans, una face una own. Oduduwa, una face una own. Make una no come drag us into restructuring. If una want restructuring, make una with Fulani herdsmen go do restructuring. Fear dey catch una, so una no fit make Oduduwa. Una dey fear. Una don die too much. So now you guys are so afraid. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Get your people together. Go and form your nation. We are also going to form our own Biafra nation. So those who still believe, say, restructuring will work for Nigeria. Sorry for now. Because some man, deep down inside his heart and his soul, una being captive. Una being captive. That is why Buhari did appoint any of you people in position. He encompass every tribe. Not gonna add. Tell una say he won't collect Nigeria for himself. The only way to break him backbone, break Nigeria backbone, Oduduwa is your republic. Biafra, save your nation. That will be the end of the story. They're trying to stitch it with thread and needle, with restructuring matter. You know go work. You know go work. You know go work. You no need to go heaven, go see God. God self no say you no go work. You no go work. Nigeria don pack him bag, he don dey go. He dey live on, there they go so. Nigeria don pack bag, now go e dey so. So if una like, make una dey run on top of Nigeria land, restructure. Nothing to restructure. There is nothing. Everybody should go home and build their nation. Oduduwa should waste time for restructuring because Fulani and Hausa man will not give it to you. You know it. So don't drag us. Don't drag the Biafrans. Don't drag the Niger Deltas. Don't drag us into something you know very, very, very well you're not going to have it. Because you know those people. They won't let it. You all are infidel. They will kill you all. I see for video where cow don't they waka for Lekki. Lekki? Cow. Don't they waka for Lekki? They monitor now. They monitor on the places where they go attack. Now they run restructuring. Make una not stand on our feet. Take on a nation. Take on the drag us. They put inside nonsense restructuring. What are they restructuring? Waiting they want restructure. The same people will destroy the Nigeria and the same people will go restructure our phone. Guys better wake up and face the reality before it's damn too late. Thank you for listening. My dear Biafrans, peace.